guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're getting rid of this piece of fucking shit.
Oh, Chloe, you cracked it!
It's not funny because we just had to have a little debrief before we did it of, Chloe, be careful, this is actually glass. Don't.
That'd be just a typical you thing to do.
It would be if I just smashed the entire thing in glass. But anyway, we're actually getting rid of this shit. Let's do it Michael style.
It's not gonna fit now, and we're gonna have to like.
Yeah, basically. And we're actually gonna be, just getting rid of it, the whole thing. Rear wiper delete. Okay, so in this little teeny package, it's just small. We've got black silicone.
That's lipstick, mate.
I'm guessing that just goes round the little thing. I've seen Michael kind of do it before. And then in here.
What is this? A Killer Wiper kit, is it?
Wow.
Is it actually from Killer Wiper?
No, I did look on there.
But they didn't have it.
But they didn't have a Citroen C1. Not that I could see. They had a Citroen C2.
Oh.
Who gives a fuck about the C2?
Come on.
No one. When do you ever hear someone go, well, Kai, you got a Citroen C2? No, is that even a thing?
That's a family wagon, I think.
Boring. This one is just from dwiper.co.uk. It was literally £8. What a bargain video. So yeah, that'll just go in the thing. It's black silicone round.
So why do people get rid of their wipers, Claire? For anybody, for anyone who actually is like, why is she doing this?
To give it a more flush look.
And you can't really look out the back windows anyway.
I'm not being funny. So my windows are fully tinted at the back, and if you know us, you'll know that Michael tried to tint it himself. So he had so many tinting attempts that didn't work, that the heaters in my back window now don't work. So I'm not, half the time you literally physically can't see out the window anyway, because it's all fogged up or it's all misty, and you put the heaters on and this bitch just doesn't work. So I was thinking of video ideas, and I thought, I might as well get rid of it. It doesn't work anyway. Let's get rid of this, put this on, we'll have a nice flush.
Chloe, careful.
Sorry. Along with all the
Yeah, I know, it is dirty.
super glue from the spoiler. So not that flush, but here we are.
Right then, do you want to do it? Make it look like you do, Mark?
Oh, okay, cool. Sorry, because you know.
Leave that in.
Oh,
that's quite good.
Gee, that was a workout getting that off, guys.
Jesus. Yeah, that's all the wiper. So weight reduction as well.
Weight reduction, bro.
Look how big it is.
There
you go.
There's a connector, so we can
So if
take
you
the
now
rest
power it won't work.
I haven't been filming, but this guy has just tried to break my window about 3 times. The audacity of him telling me, oh, be careful, it's glass, you know. He says as he absolutely smacks the shit out of it. We don't know how to get this off.
I think it might be a ball joint.
I think it's a ball joint. It looks like it from the bottom.
Yeah, I think it.
Rip the shit out of it.
But the only problem is it's all glass, so like.
Do you want me to have a go?
No.
Now look, ready, go like this.
Wait, hold on, what's that? Oh, there you go. It's not a ball joint, it's a fucking.
Yeah, I said that.
You did what?
I said it's a screw, definitely don't just pull it off.
2 seconds earlier.
I think it's a ball joint. It looks like it from the bottom.
Yeah, I think it.
Rip the shit out of it.
These are annoying to get out, Chloe. Good luck.
Thanks.
Well, I was about to be careful with like getting your car messy, but then I remembered it's not mine. So this is going to lubricate all the things, because these wiper nuts are fucking terrible to get off. There you go. Oh wait, it's just twisting the whole bloody thing.
Oh, is it meant to sound like that?
Nope.
Sounds like it's ripping. We're gonna just wing it and like really hard, not hard, but bit of force, pull it off, and just really pray that the glass doesn't smash.
Yeah, because it could, very well could. The whole thing is glass, so. How is it twisting? What is twisting? Wait, lift it up. The whole thing? What? Oh, we snapped that! Huh? That's why it's twisting, because we snapped it.
My god. Yeah.
That's a bit dangerous, actually.
Oh.
You're going to be sad to get rid of this car, Claire?
I actually will be quite sad. I do like little sins.
I bet you'll be gassed with
If you watch my recent video, my car things that I wanted have completely changed. I've got a different car in mind now.
Shall I spoil it?
No.
Should I spoil it so that you in the most exciting bit of this video, I'm gonna just spoil it, and then you have to bleep it.
When it's the Citroen C1, this is just the way that you get things off.
We need to basically saw this bit off here, and then we can get to the nut.
Lovely. Got another bolt, but it's off. That's a beast, man. Look at the size of that.
22.
Gee.
Oh, it's a 22.
Lovely.
Ready?
Hey! Oh yeah.
We get this rubber thing out. Do you want to do it?
Oh yeah, go on.
Oh. Come on, put some strength into it.
I'll just push it in.
Okay, that's very smart. No more wiper.
No, my wiper's got a big hole in.
Jeez. Right, so now what do you have to do, Chloe, now that that's out of the way?
Clean it.
Yeah, well done.
Thank you very much.
See if the plug goes first, see if the plug fits. That's a glory hole, that is. Fucking hell. Do you know what a glory hole is?
Shove your dick in it.
What, Chloe?
Oh, it's come with fucking sensor. What else is it going to be?
Jesus. Does it not go the other side round, you thick cunt? Yeah? Oh, wow.
Yeah, baby.
Fits nice.
Oh, yeah.
No, it's down here, Chloe.
Yeah, but Mark will clean the whole fucking glass well, right? Okay, so we've just cleaned it all, and now...
Not very well, look at this. Hold on. I don't know if you guys can see.
Okay, but that's just the fucking window. No one gives a fuck about that. It gets dirty in here, my bother. What am I doing?
What do you think, Chloe?
Is that going around there?
Yep.
Do I have to take that off? Or is
Why are you so stressed?
What? Because I don't know what I'm doing. You're not telling me.
Your nails are going to be cut. Look at your nails.
Is it stain?
Oh, probably it's sealant.
Are you fucker?
Why didn't you put gloves on? Anyway, you got it on now.
No, you didn't fucking tell me till I'd started. Why did you put gloves on, you fucking prick?
Oh, you might need more to... Ah, no, never mind, actually. Because you put it on the end. Then towards the end, once that's all dried, we're going to put some more sealing around because it doesn't look like it's filled in all the gaps. But I'm going to go get some tape quick. So you're going to stand there until I get the tape.
Okay, hurry up because I want to wipe my nails off. Michael, I want to wipe my nails off. Please, before they stain.
Doo-doo.
No, because I will punch them on them.
This sealant looks very liquidy as well, so it won't. Just getting
Oh, fuck off.
You're gonna have to bleep that.
We've got that in. We've put like 2 or so layers of the sealant. We're gonna wait a little bit and then we might put some more in, I think. I still feel like there's little gaps. So we're gonna put some more in a little while. Then we'll wait like 24 hours and then I can peel, when it's fully dry, and then I'll peel the sticker thing off so it's like the whole black glass. Yeah, if you're someone that doesn't really use your wiper blades anyway, then I'd definitely recommend doing it because I feel like it'll look good. Obviously I can't see fully now because it's just like a white spot in my window, but yeah, I'm excited to see what it actually looks like. And it's quite easy. Like the hardest bit is getting the actual like old one out, but then putting the new one is literally so easy. But yeah, once that's all dry and stuff, I'll clean the window again, peel the sticker, and yeah, it'll be all good. Okay, so it's the next day. I've just put another layer on.
Just so the rain don't go in.
Just so the rain don't go in. I'm gonna get Michael's peel the stick because my nails went open. And then obviously I'll leave it to fully dry, but I just want to show you guys what it'll properly look like. But I can't be bothered to wait days for it to dry before I show you because I'm gonna edit the video and get it out. So, I feel like it's gonna look good, you know?
I don't think we should peel it this early, but...
Why? It's fine. Wow. Oh. Oh. Hey, maybe that looks cool.
Yeah, it does.
It obviously is a lot clean. That's just what it is probably, isn't it? Because it's a lot. And it's because this bit's like a grey.
Yeah, have you
And
got
this
to
is
tell,
black.
can't you? It looks like there's actually a hole through the car.
Yeah. When it's clean, I reckon it won't stand out as much. That's better actually though, look at that.
It's weird. It's weird that it's not centre. But...
Yeah, but I mean the rear wiper looked ugly anyway. So that's a lot better now. At least it's like nice and smooth. The back window looks better. Happy with that? Okay, so that is the
Rear wiper delete.
rear wiper delete sort of finished. Obviously I'll get some clips when it's dried, we took it all off. But yeah, it's all installed, it's just waiting for it to dry now.
It's waiting its turn.
Yeah. There's
We've got
tape
some...
all on it, that'll need cleaning afterwards.
The tape's just to hold it in place, you know.
Yeah,
so.
we can't put the plastic thing
back on because there's nothing to clip it onto.
But that doesn't really matter, it looks up there anyway.
We'll just wrap it in. We'll just do something with it.
Yeah, it'll be fine. It looks cool, I'm happy with that.
Yeah, it looks good. The rear wiper didn't really do anything for a Citroen C1 anyway. It's so small.
Especially because we broke the heat things on our thing, so it was never, the window you could really use anyway. Yeah, so unfortunately that's the end of today's video. Follow me on Instagram at chl_.oe. Subscribe to my channel down below. And I'll see you, or we'll see you, in my next video. Bye!